Most AI video tools can now generate clips from text or images, but that alone is no longer enough to make a platform stand out. Pollo AI is taking a different approach by organizing its tools around what people are actually trying to create. It now has separate studios for sellers, marketers, and creators. So in this video, I'll show you how Pollo AI can help you create product showcases, video ads, UGC-style content, and AI-generated visuals from one platform. Pollo AI is now organized into 3 dedicated creative workspaces. Commerce Studio is built for sellers and businesses creating product content. Marketing Studio is for marketers building ads and campaign creatives. And Creative Studio covers AI image and AI video generation. There's also an AI agent that lets you describe what you want through a simple chat-style workflow. The idea is that instead of picking from a long list of disconnected tools, you start with the type of content you actually need. Let's start with Commerce Studio. The first feature I want to show you is Product Showcase Video. You upload your product image, describe the kind of video you want through the chat interface, and Pollo AI builds a showcase around it. For sellers, this is a much faster way to turn a basic product photo into something that actually looks suitable for a product page or social campaign. I'll go ahead and generate one now. And here's the result. Next is AI Product Shots. This takes a simple product photo and places it into different backgrounds, scenes, or visual styles, without arranging a studio shoot. Really useful if you want to test different campaign looks or create more image variations for a store. You can see here how the same product looks across a few different styled environments. Commerce Studio also includes Virtual Try-On for clothing and accessories. It places products onto different virtual models, body types, and skin tones, so shoppers get more visual context and sellers can create model-based imagery without organizing a full photo shoot. Once you have your product visuals, Marketing Studio is where you turn them into campaign content. The most practical feature here for most sellers is photo to video ads. You upload a product photo, add a short description of the campaign direction, and it generates a dynamic ad creative from a single image. I'll run through one now, and you can see it produces something that's ready to use for a paid ad or social post straight away. Pollo AI can also create ads directly from a product URL. It supports Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and eBay pages. I'll just show this briefly because the main value here is really how all these workflows connect inside one platform rather than any single feature in isolation. Promos and other campaign formats. These are useful when you want to test multiple creative variations quickly, different hooks, different visual styles, all of the same product, without rebuilding everything from scratch each time. Creative Studio is where you'll find Pollo AI's core generation tools, text to video, image to video, and AI video generation. I won't spend too long here because these features are fairly common across AI platforms now, but they're genuinely useful when you need original visuals, creative B-roll, or supporting assets to go alongside the content you've built in the other studios I just demonstrated. The AI agent is probably the most interesting addition. Instead of navigating each tool manually, you just describe what you want to create in the chat, and the agent turns that into a suggested workflow or generates the output directly. It makes the whole platform feel a lot more like working with a creative assistant. Pollo AI also includes additional effects, avatars, and more specialized tools beyond the 3 main studios. I won't go through every feature in this video, so here's just a snippet of a few of them. But they're all there to explore once you've worked through the core Commerce Studio, Marketing Studio, and Creative Studio workflows. What makes Pollo AI stand out isn't just that it can generate AI video, it's that the platform is now structured around what different types of users are actually trying to create. Sellers get product visuals and showcase videos, marketers get ads and UGC campaigns, creators get original image and video generation. And at the time of recording, Pollo AI is offering 20% off credits used in Commerce Studio and Marketing Studio for a limited time using my special promo link. The link is at the top of the description and in the pinned comment if you want to try it out. Watch this video next to see 15 ChatGPT tricks you didn't know. Also, subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this.